Importing Monday.com form responses is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To start, you need to have a Monday.com account and a form set up to collect responses. First, navigate to your Monday.com dashboard and click on the form you want to import responses from. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the form and select Integrations. Next, search for the app or integration you want to connect your form to, such as Google Sheets or email. Follow the prompts to authenticate the connection and choose the specific account you want to connect to. Once the integration is set up, you can configure the settings to determine how often the responses are imported and what data is included. For example, you can choose to import all responses or only new ones. After setting up the integration, test it by submitting a response to the form and verifying that it appears in the connected app. This ensures that the connection is working correctly and that responses are being imported as expected. Best practices for importing Monday.com form responses include regularly checking the integration for any errors or issues, and setting up notifications to alert you when new responses are received. This helps to ensure that you stay on top of incoming responses and can respond promptly. Additionally, consider using Zapier or Integromat to connect your Monday.com form to other apps and automate workflows. These tools offer a wide range of integrations and can help to streamline your workflow and reduce manual data entry. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily import Monday.com form responses and start using the data to inform your business decisions. Remember to always test your integrations and keep an eye on any issues that may arise to ensure a seamless experience.